An experiment consists of rolling an unbiased dice until the first 6 is observed. Let y denote the number of rolls needed. The PMF of y is given. So you say y defined for y equal 1 to infinity here, right? Is this a valid PMF? How do we check if this is a valid PMF? If this is a valid PMF, summation of this, let me write down 1 over 6 is the constant. Therefore, I write this way 5 over 6 y equal 1 first one, then y 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 5 over 6 y equal 2, right? Second one 2 minus 1 is 1, then 5 over 6, then y equal 3, 3 minus 1 2. So similarly this goes to infinity, so this should be 1, right? This should be 1. So how do we check this? Before we check, you need to know this part here. Could you remember this what we call infinite geometric sum? So infinite geometric sum, k goes from 0 to infinity, a r k, this equal a 1 minus r. Actually r should be less than 1. This is needed, or otherwise this sum does not converge. Okay, right. So how do we now use this for our case? Right, we need to check y start from 1 to infinity here, pyy. So we need to check this sum, right? This one. So y goes from 1 to infinity, py is 1 over 6 and pi over 6 y minus 1. And you see here y equal 1, right? Here y equal 1. And to apply this case, we need k equals 0, or it means y equals 0. It doesn't matter that letter, right? K or y, it must be 0. Otherwise, we cannot use this part, right? So how do we make y equal 1? How do we make y equals 0 or anything equals 0? Right. What I do, y minus 1, I put equal k. Then you know y equal k plus 1 from this. Okay, right. Now consider y equal 1, right? Y equal 1. Now y is what? K plus 1 equal 1. So k equals 0. Now you can put here k equals 0, or you can use any other letter, right? M, N, whatever you like, infinity and 1 6. And this case you see 5 over 6, that's alright, but y minus 1, here y minus 1 equal k. Yes, we have very similar or the same one, same shape here, right? You see that, right? Therefore, what is the a here? A is 1 over 6 and r is 5 over 6. Yes, you know 5 over 6, 5 over 6, this one, yeah, if you write down absolutely less than 1, definitely. Therefore, this condition is also satisfied. So, we can apply now this. Okay, therefore instead of this we can say a equal 1 6, then 1 minus r equal 5 over 6. When you simplify, you will get 1. So yes, we have 1, therefore this is valid PMF.